Go on the water nice and early, 6:30. Would have been earlier, but up at the Central Coast with the family. Got Dad, Pop, Uncle and Cousin also coming, and my sister. Dad and my sister will be in the big canoe, the Beeline, and the rest of them are in a little tinny, and I'm in the kayak, heading up to this marker which I fished a couple of days ago and caught, fish every cast, just full of flathead. Nice little hole. Ended up having 6 boats around me because I saw I was catching fish, so that was fun. But no, I got a good feed for Christmas Eve, which was good. So now it's Boxing Day, and hopefully we get a few more this morning. Water's dead calm. Wind is meant to pick up around, I think probably around 9 o'clock a bit, but nothing that this can't handle. So we'll get up there. Well, we're almost there, we're buzzing along. Got ice this time, we only had ice bricks the other day, so should be sweet. The outgoing tide high was at 6, so it should be start moving now, which is just perfect. Fish till 10, and hopefully someone else catches a fish other than me, which is what happened the other day. I'm gonna be running the Samaki Optic. It's a 6.6 4 to 8 pound, and I've just got 8 pound braid with 8 pound leader to this little bait junkie wave minnow, I think it's called, with a 1/8 jig head. Plenty for this little rod, super light, super whippy thing. And then I've also got in the back another rod, is that, which is the Raider with a 2,500 Daiwa Air with same 8 pound braid, but with a vibe on it. It's a bit more of a rigid rod, perfect for the vibe. Get a bit of S factor on those and be sweet. Go, bit of that just up there on the hook, bit on the sides. Oh, let's do it. Hopefully we go all right. I'll get this one out there as well, may as well. Bit of that S factor on there. Not sponsored, but oh, you bastard. Oh, fuck ya. It's there. I got it. Oh. Oh, it's just going on about how good it is, and I'm bloody throwing it in the water. Oh, it's staying in my pocket. Bloody cut that out. Whew. That's not a good way to start the day. Anyway, now we're going. Drag's right. Anchor's doing nothing because we are just holding beautifully. Just with these flathead, you just hop, and then really just let it sit. I always throw 2 out. I know you're not working that one, but you never know. Sitting there, one could cruise past and have a crack. See how we go. 2.5 meters, and then it goes to nothing just there. Like that bird is standing in the water. So it's real shallow just there. Comes Dad. Oh, just got a good hit.
My sonar says that deep.
Nah, it's 3 meters here.
3 meters where you are.
There they are.
Yep, full paddle.
Here we go. First fish of the day. It's a little whiting. Actually, he's good. There's a whiting pop. On the vibe. First little fish on board. A little whiting. Dad's not gonna be happy. I got another one. It's this one. Oh, good flathead. There's a good one. There we go. Oh yeah. Not happy about that. Keep your mouth open there, mate. Good. There we go. Sort that out after. Oh, that was a good whack. Come back. He's probably been eyeing it off for a little minute. It's a very good whack. Cast one, pick up the next, work it in, cast it out. Oh, speaking of. No, he's dropped it. See that? He was just right here. Bugger. Go. Put the braggie out. Clear your feet from this bloke so he doesn't stab you. 36 is legal. I'm gonna say he's 36, but yeah, he's 37. So we'll chuck him in, get a good fillet off him, and yeah, nice fish. Got a dunk. Oh, I missed him. Lara, get it. Oh no, I got him, don't worry. I got him. Another good flatty. Oh no, he's only... Oi! Bit of aerial from this bloke. He might be right. They don't like that. I'm gonna lose this knife, I can see it happening. It's in a bit of a rubbish spot. There we go. Oh yeah, he's just fine. Look. Oh, I don't have a ruler on here, should get one. Actually, we'll just put a mark. 36. It's the most caught fish in this boat, so might have to. Or give me your paddle.
Yeah, I learned that lesson.
Just watch that over here. Oh, it's a good one. Three flatties and a...
I'll get us in position, Lara. You from your anchor, and I have to re-rig.
Oh, it's a whiting for sure. Oi! Oh no, it's a flatty. No. Yeah, it is. Oh, he's a beauty. He's the biggest one. He fought like nothing. He's a good one, that. Cracking fish, that. Oh, how's that? Okay, nice little 42. Beautiful. Work this one in and see, I've just moved a bit. Yep. Oh, missed him. There's a fish. In that shade there. Vibe has come good. Swallowed that. Go. Another little flatty. Got one just there hooked up on that boat. Oh, mine got airborne. Mine's close too, I reckon. Double hookups over here. Yep, said cheese. Oh, how good's that? Just pops out. Oh, get him on the mat. Mine's 35 on the dot too. Yeah. There he goes. Pivot. Oh. Bit of top water action now. Well, hopefully some action, but oh, hang on, there's two sets of waves. There are a few whiting around in here, so we shall see. Oh, yep, I've just got a hit. Yeah, I've got one. I don't know if I have accidentally hooked him, but he's absolutely tiny. That is the smallest little brim ever. Oh, the poor little bugger. Just like pinned him in the gills. Look at that, it put him in a fish tank. It's alright, mate. Oh, yeah, I'm back. fella. They like the top water, these little dudes. An absolute monster. Have a go at that. See ya, mate. Last few casts here and then head in for some lunch. It's about, it's 9:30, but morning tea rather. Feels like lunch when you're up early. Oh, that's a hit. Oh, how's that? I just got here. He's come up early. This is when you lose them, when they come up this early. Oh, he's doing flips, he's going skits. Surf him in. He's alright, little bugger. Core pinned beautifully right there. I drifted down there a bit and thought, yeah, have a bit of a flick, but no good. Come straight back up here. That was literally the first cast, and a lovely little lizard. To live another day, he can. Beautiful. Just bounce, bounce, flick, flick up, let it sit. Flick, flick. Because I'm drifting this way, you don't even have to take the slack because it'll just, now that the tide's moving a bit, cover more ground that way and it's really good. I can't believe this one little soft plastic's got me through the whole day. It's been unreal. I'm not changing it either. I did try the little nipper, but needs a bigger jig head, and I got to put it on that rod, and I don't want to change it. So, but swims well, and I'm sure. Oh no, that's a lump of weed. I think it's been sitting on that from the moment I cast it. Doesn't fight much, the old weed. Yeah, there's been big lumps of it getting around. I think the boats have chopped it up a bit this morning and made a mess of that. There we go. Couple more casts. Great day out. Got, what do we get? 9 flathead and a nice whiting. Decent sized whiting there. Some pretty nice flathead. Yeah, mate.